box, as you everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing the PSVR 2, Sony's latest virtual reality headset. Can't wait to check this out and see how it compares to the original PSVR. Alright, let's take a look at the box first. It's a sleek minimalistic design with a picture of the headset on the front and the key features listed below it. On the back, we have a closer look at the components included in the box. Inside, we have the headset itself, the new PSVR 2 cameras on the headset, a pair of controllers, and all the cables you'll need to get started. Let's take a closer look at the headset. It's a lot more compact than the original PSVR, which is great for storage and lets it feel more really lightweight. Let's check out the PSVR cameras on the headset here. This camera's got a wider field of view than the original cameras that used to stick on the wall, which should improve traffic and immersion in general. But let's demo it out and see how this goes a lot later. The display is incredibly crisp, and the field of view is wider than the original. This is really impressive so far, I'll tell you that. Alright, let's take a look at the dock. So this is the dock to charge the actual controllers. Now it's a lot better to have a dock to charge these controllers than to have multiple USB-C cables plugged in. So let's take a look what's in the box, as you can see right here. So it's a weird setup that they've set with these docks, and you'll see very soon why that is. So it looks pretty similar to what you would see on a standardized dock for the cradle. You get a few options here. You've got the actual straight plug, you've got the two USB keys, and I'll tell you what they're for shortly. And there's the USB-C keys that I was talking about. They go for the contactless charging. You need to plug those into the USB-C port, obviously, of each controller. So we've got our dock here, as you can see. It's fairly large because the controllers are quite large for VR, and we've got our Australian plugs and also the power pack. Alright, we're all connected up. I've got the PSVR 2 connected up by USB-C in the front, and we've got the dock currently housing the two controllers, as you can see right there. It's all ready to go. Alright, as you can see with the dock, you have to plug in the little sensors into the side so it can actually dock with the dock. So these are the contacts, you have to put it into the USB-C port. Alright, let's hook everything up and play some games. Okay, we're on Pavla. Now, I have to say, the graphics look absolutely amazing on this. The eye tracking does actually give you a very good view of what's going on, and the sharpness is just absolutely amazing. The movements, aiming, feeling really, really smooth for the new controllers. There is a bit of a problem in some guns, but for the most part, it's really smooth. let's try out some more of this gameplay, and I'll leave you guys to decide for yourself. Alright, that was fun, but now let's switch some gears and go to a different game. Horizon Call of the Mountain, a beautiful game, and really in VR enhances your immersion with the eye tracking. You can control it very easily, and it really does feel really realistic because it's very sharp, it's very vivid. I feel like I'm really in this game world with the field of view and everything along those lines. Now I'll let you guys look at the visuals there. It's going to be pretty brief, but I'll let you guys decide for yourself.
You
Alright, that's all we have time for today. The PSVR is an amazing piece of hardware. Definitely try it out, and is really looking forward to exploring more games on it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for all the content like this. And I'll see you in the next video.